Hi, welcome back to Bentangela. It's day 2 and we're at the Wilderness Run Alpine Coasters. Come join in the fun.
Ready? Now you can let go so pick you up.
So right now I'm getting instructions on what I'm supposed to do on this coaster. I'm also using my GoPro for the first time that Benjamin surprised me with. So this is going to be pretty rough. Just bear with me. So this is where I start to get in trouble, and my videoing with the GoPro is all over the place, but I did put in a snippet of what the track actually looks like when you really get going. I had a ball. Talk about brain freeze.
You had fun?
Yes.
Go ahead and have you unbuckle. Swing your legs out to the left.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh.
You're gonna head out through those doors.
To the left?
Yep.
Okay. go. Woo.
How old are you?
That's my biggest fear.
Woo! Woo!
Someone just went to the bathroom. Okay. Did you guys have a check-in?
Woo! Child, I got brain freeze. Put your hands in your pocket. I did not want to go home, but I miss Benjamin, so away we go.